Good morning. So Opa, aka Dutch, has taken our grandson out for riding the backhoe. And I thought I'd walk out here and try to find them and try to record that. They might already be done. I don't know. Little guy, he was so excited. I get to go for riding the backhoe. I know my own kids, when they were really little, my boys, they would have loved it, loved it. I can hear it, so I'm getting closer. I just thought while I'm walking I'd talk to you guys. The other day I shared a video about my hip being sore. Oh, never mind, I can't tell you this now. They're coming. Maybe I can take a shortcut through the woods and catch them as they're dumping the dirt. But maybe not. We'll see. So I just wanted to give you an update on my hip. I may have in another video. I really don't know. My hip was better within just a few short days. But while my hip was getting better, the knee, the opposite knee, started hurting bad. And I've had trouble with that ever since. Yeah, not fun. Okay, thank you. Oh, he's getting out already. I was going to ask him if he had fun.
You get me down.
Yep, I'll come around.
No, you have to go on the step. You can't jump all the way. Okay, now you can jump.
Oh, do you want to try jumping now? Woo,
you
you
go.
did it. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Did you bring in that load of dirt?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a lot of dirt, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else did we do?
We turned
What else did we do?
water the plant.
Yeah.
Oh, so first you got water to water the plant?
And then we dumped.
Oh, that's fun.
But he bonked the backhoe.
Did you bonk the backhoe?
Yeah.
What did he bonk it on? A tree or something?
No, the dirt.
Oh, the dirt, yeah. All right. You gonna play in the dirt?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think your mom will mind at all.
I'm playing in the dirt.
All right, you play in the dirt.
Maybe a crocodile is in your home.
Have you watched Peter Pan?
Yeah. The crocodile is like, that's the background music.
That's right.
Hello.
What is it?
Dragon.
A dragonfly. Oh, look at that.
Spray him.
Well, they're super fast. Okay, it's been a while since I've made... Tina wants to be in my video. Since I've made my, now Tina's distracted me. Yeah, Tina. He's a Senegal parrot. He's upstairs, or I'd show him to you. Okay, it's been a while since I've made sourdough bread, and I've had the starter in the refrigerator, and I thought, man, I need to make some sourdough bread. Make sure the starter's okay. Well, take a look at this. Yeah, I think that the starter is still okay. I'm waiting for it to start popping. It starts popping and making this awesome noise. And that's my oven cooling down that you hear, not the bread. Oh, I think it's starting to make its popping noise. That oven is so loud, though. It's starting to make the noise. You hear it? I don't know if you can can hear it. The fan on the oven is loud and the bird is loud, but it's getting louder. I just think that's so cool. Can you hear it? One trick with sourdough bread is that you shouldn't cut it until it's cooled down, because if you cut it, it can make the bread kind of heavy. But if you wait till it's cooled down, you get these nice fluffy slices of bread. But who can wait? You know, you gotta have bread fresh out of the oven when it's hot and the butter just melts. It melts like butter, yeah. I couldn't